Izoba iriro kabiri esabiteji nibwo Abany'Eishengyero batandikireho Omushomo Gwabo ogugenderire okubamanyisa ebintu ebine kuba nibakora kandi erizoba Omushomo ogu nibwe Bahendera aba bashomesibwe okubara yetwazemo obu babari Omw'Ishengyero lihanga Abany'Eishengyero abatari bamwe na bamwe abo twagambaho nabo aha kigendererwa ekyo Omushomo ogu batugambira ngo bashomere ebintu ebitari bimwe na bimwe ngo kandi bingi babiri batari kubimanya
tahindagambira tutwire Omushomo ogu kutworeka okutushemere kuba turatwaza twaba tuli omu parliament batushomere ebintu bingi batwegesize ebintu bingi konke bimwe hari ebyo nkaba ndabimanya bwo kuba hanuya nkamaraho ebisanja bishatu ndajwekera rubabo kandi nabasa no kutunga obwebembezi omuri za komiti za parliament nahabwekyo hanuya ebingi bibire bitari bisya aharinyi
we ori speaker w'Ishengyero lihanga Right Honorable Gwabo both Bahendera Omushomo ogu yasima Abany'Eishengyero bona abetabira Omushomo ogu kandi yabashaba okuguma n'omutima ogw'Ishengyero eri bari kuza okutandika
on conduct and decorum within and outside the principles of parliament. As part of the reform process that the 12th parliament will champion, we must exude conduct worthy of honorable members at all times. Let us have respect for one another and harness unity in diversity. The jury is out on the legislature and we must live up to the high standards with which the public is already judging us.
Gwiyayongera yabashaba okureba ngo baba abantu b'emico mirungi ngo abo kuba bine kube cyo kureberaho aha abantu abo bari kucicirira Omw'Ishengyero.
Institutional legal advisory processes, you further interacted on the roles and responsibilities of departments, offices, and other organs of parliamentary commission. I believe that the objectives of the orientation were achieved, and I thank the clerk to Parliament, the deputy clerks, and the entire parliamentary service for a work well done.
Gasha kwa Ronald Ngabirano ahabwa Tayari West.
Exercise closed.